All right, I just got back with a bunch of my lady friends, and you guys, so I have to talk about the newest best thing. Promise you, like, it's just amazing. So I met with a couple of my friends, we got together, and we got this new product. Okay, we got this new product. The first thing that I noticed when I walked in the room was their hair. Like, their hair was absolutely gorgeous. So, we have a product that just launched this weekend. Did you know that 93% of people in the entire world, their number one issue is damaged hair? Whether that's from too much sun, whether that's from swimming in chlorine, whether it's bad water that causes damage to your hair, or us blondes, so-called blondes, fake blondes, over processing our hair, or even the vibrant colors, colored hair. 93%, and I'm gonna say that most of them are women, because we do crazy stuff with our hair, because we just love to do things with our hair. We love our hair. Okay, 93% of them have damaged hair. We have a product that just launched this weekend that reverses that. It reverses the damage in your hair. I used it yesterday, you guys, and this is why I'm getting on, because I have people contacting me telling me that for the first time in their life, they love their hair. So I went, when I was first doing this, it comes with a restructuring pre-wash conditioner that you put on your hair before you actually shampoo. You put this on wet hair in the shower, leave it on for a couple minutes, rinse it out very well. You shampoo twice. You guys shampoo twice. And what's different about this, it's so different. When I was shampooing my hair, I was like, you know what? I don't know if I really love this, because I wasn't getting all the sun. You know, this is so conditioned that it doesn't set up like your normal shampoo, but it is cleansing and it's cleaning your hair as it's on there. I shampoo twice. You're always supposed to, no matter what brand you use, always shampoo twice. Leave it on for a couple minutes, rinse out. Rinse that out. You guys, put on the hair transformation mask. I believe that's what it calls, hair transformation mask. Holy heavens, wow. Not only does it smell amazing, but your hair feels like it is just silk in the shower. I left that on for a few minutes. And if you have really thick and coarse hair, you can use the conditioner again and put it on after the mask, but this is not necessary. You do not, I did not have to. Next, I towel dried my hair, combed it out, and I put the next product on, which is called the Inner Force Restructuring Serum. And it's a bottle that you squirt out and two things come out at once. And I put it on my hair, let it sit on there, combed it out again. You guys, I wasn't really sure what to think about it, but when I blow dried my hair was incredibly soft. It was fuller. It felt like I had an extensive, deep treatment done to my hair. And so that's what this is. It's a treatment for your hair. This is going it's called the New Reverse Care Method Restructuring Collection. That's what it's called. Hey Melanie, hey Julie. All right, so it basically reverses the damage in your hair. And so I had to come on here because I don't really feel like we had a product that was for this type of hair, for damaged hair, and now we do, and it's one of a kind. There's actually nothing out there on the market that is like this product. again, walked into this room and the women that were in there had used this product, and instantly I could see a difference in their hair. And it was just mind-blowing. And so I don't want to keep this to myself, obviously. I went into the bathroom, you guys, and I looked in the mirror. I did not put any styling products in my hair whatsoever. This is day 2 dirty hair. Not dirty, but I did not shampoo my hair. This was from yesterday. I posted a picture yesterday after using this. I worked out, went on a walk this morning with my sister-in-law, came home, took a shower, did not wash my hair, and I did a light curl without any styling products in my hair, and I can't stop looking at it. I cannot stop looking at my hair. You guys, and if you're a man, you probably do not understand this. You probably don't get it, but our hair is our crown. It is our crown. It is our glory, and it's our confidence. It really is. It's a woman's confidence. And so, you guys, I had to share it with you. I had to share it because we did not have a system for damaged, chemically processed hair. And now we do. And guess what? It's been trialed and tested. It's been tested and it's been proven 100% effective. 100% effective. Full of botanical extracts. The featured ingredients on this, basically 2 of the big ones, the Rejuvenate oil, and then we have our Fiber Rescue. And both of these products are exclusive with our company. So what it does is it works out. It helps overstressed hair that has basically lost its luster, lost its shine, lost its healthiness. So you guys, this is day 2. And I didn't even want to put anything in my hair because my hair felt so soft. I didn't put any root lifter in my hair, and I feel like it has body. I feel like it has good texture. So I absolutely, I love it, you guys. It's plant-based. As if you don't know, none of our products are animal protein based. These are all plant-based products, which I absolutely love. We are Leaping Bunny certified, which it's really hard to get that stamped on signature products. So it's plant-based keratin, plant-based keratin. So anyways, you guys, if you need to heal your hair from damage, we finally have a special product for that. I'm so super excited. Anyways, I had to share it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for getting on here. It's so good to see you. Hi, friends. Anyways, you guys have a good night. Be blessed. Bye.